Hello everyone. Today we're back for a brand new video where we're going to see how to create an Hytale server on OuiHeberg, and you'll see that it takes less than 5 minutes to get your server up and running. To start, you're going to go to the OuiHeberg website, to our hosting services, Gaming Hytale category. You select the plan that best suits your needs. So right now, based on the tests we've been able to do, the Hytale servers at least, consume a fair amount of resources, whether it's RAM or CPU. I highly recommend the WeBox 12GB plan. Bearing in mind you have a recurring 30% promotion, meaning for life, you might as well take advantage of it. Once you've ordered your plan, I won't show you the purchase process. It's quite simple. Once you have successfully purchased your WeBox offer, you will then be redirected to the OuiPanel, which is the dedicated management panel that allows you to control all your servers. So we're going to see exactly what to do to deploy an Hytale server. We are going to go to the left in WeBox. So here you'll see you can perform data center tests and so on. You'll see your resources and your WeBox servers. From our end, we're going to look into creating a new server. So new at the top right for the game, we'll name it Hytale. Perfect. We'll name it Hytale YouTube. Perfect. I'll place it in France. Let's continue. For the setup, we'll go with a base configuration, 8 gigs of RAM, 2 vCPUs, though 2 vCPUs, that might be a bit short. That'll be short. Maybe we'll go for a diamond though. All right, let's take an 8 gig. All right, I have plenty of processing cores available. So let's quickly create. Let's go ahead and set up a database. These are the ports. So we'll configure 3 ports, for example, and then a backup. We'll also set up 4 backups. Once all of that is completed, we'll proceed to create the server. Perfect. All right, our server is created. We see it's in the process of installation. We're going to access the console. So it's normal that you're experiencing this blockage. Your server is currently installing, and I'll get back to you right after it's installed. My server has installed successfully. It tried to start automatically, and now we're going to encounter an authentication error. We need to link our Hytale account to the server. So there are several processes we've put in place. Either you click in the console and verify. That's what we'll do right now. We click on the approve button. Here, it's an automatic connection. All right, it's good. It's finished. We're going back to the server. And it will start up automatically. Basically, Hytale sends the instruction to our panel telling it, it's good, you can begin. And we are properly authenticated. And that's where you'll see the CPU can experience spikes. At this point, we are authenticated, meaning we have successfully linked our Hytale account to the OuiPanel. We just need to take the IP address. Take it either in letters or in numbers. We launch Hytale, which is the server component. We're going to do add server. Here, we'll press Ctrl V, then we'll put our IP, and then we'll enter the server's name. We're going to select add server and connect to it. So here's a concrete example. Despite the authentication we were able to do beforehand, there's an error. The server version has just been released. It's completely normal for there to be errors, whether on the host side or the game side. Now, what you're going to do is go to the authentication section. We're going to link my account. You just open Hytale. It's exactly the same principle. Except .hg, this system was developed directly by our own teams and is under constant supervision. So the main advantage is that we know exactly what is happening. So we'll close it now. There you go. Here, we can see that my account is linked. So naturally, I'm going to blur it. We're heading back to the console. So we're going to restart. That will be simpler. Okay, a quick message just popped up to tell you that you've been successfully authenticated. So we'll let it load to confirm that your server has started correctly. Up here, you'll see when you have this green indicator that your server has indeed started. We'll go back to Hytale and we'll try again. So we see that communication is well established between the server and me. And there you have it. Welcome to your Hytale server hosted by OuiHeberg. I hope this short video was helpful. I'll see you soon for more Hytale tutorials. Many more are on the way. All right, bye everyone.